All right, we are at the bird sanctuary in Mansfield, Ohio, right in the middle of Ohio. This is pretty cool.
Oh, that bird is so cute.
They release 200 birds every year into the wild. And she was saying that a lot of these birds can't be released to the wild because they've been imprinted, which means they've been handled by humans for too much, and they cannot be released into the wild. A broad-winged hawk. What's up, Bubba?
Let's take one home.
Yeah, right. And then you'll be arrested.
Seriously?
Not me. Look at this. A barred owl.
I just saw a crow.
Cameron?
On that one. I know.
Oh. Oh yeah, I see him up there. I bite. Do not put fingers or food in my cage.
I can't see him now.
It's an American crow. I think he went inside his little nesting box. Look at that, a barn owl.
Aw.
Looks like an alien.
It goes inside. No, it goes inside the window and it comes out.
Oh, that's cool. He's got some food or something.
View.
What?
I wanted to have a better view.
A great horned owl.
It says there's a peregrine falcon over there.
Cameron, look, there's a turkey vulture in here.
It's eating something.
This guy's eating some sort of...
Daddy, look.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's another one in here, too. See him?
Wait, there's two of them? Let's take one home.
Yeah, right. You can feed it mice.
Oh, it's so cute. Blaze and Pippin.
Hey, buddy. Good crow again.
It's another American crow.
It's pretty.
Why did I bite?
Oh, there's two of them in there.
Oh.
I don't know.
Cece and Coley.
Cece. Hey, that's your name, little Cece.
Look at that bird in there.
Buddy, come here.
It's cute.
Where are you going?
He's looking at you. There's another window right here.
Oh, it's the same bird. Aww. Its beak is so tiny.
That's really cool. About to run out of